Now the crypto award is going to come out on 15th, and we're going to talk about who is winning the best innovative technologies, who is winning who. I mean, it's going to be different awards for different coins. So keep an eye on the channel. It's a little bit of a hard work that I've done out there for you guys to actually enjoy. So keep an eye on that one as well. Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Alright, it's a little bit hard to navigate what is going on with Bitcoin, and you got a technical target to the upside that is potentially the magnet that is not letting Bitcoin to correct to the downside, of course. And as I said before, at this time it's incredibly clueless to know where exactly Bitcoin can move, but we do know that Bitcoin is down. It's super cheap. It's almost 50 to 55% down from its all-time high, and that's quite a discount until now nonetheless. So whatever happens is probably going to be for the best. All right, so we did have a flag, but the flag got invalidated. I'm still looking at the EMAs and how the squeeze is going to happen. So I mean, like the EMAs is still not being lost here, okay, which is a very good thing. But now when I see altcoins, okay, when I look at the altcoins, I think that we might see Bitcoin trying to push above here and just go up without even correcting down. If I'm looking at the altcoins, because altcoins are showing any interest of any further move to the downside. Now, some of the reasons are the following. The coins that pumped, I'm going to talk about that. And the coins that actually didn't pump, let's talk about that. So the coins that actually went to the upside in the past couple of weeks, they are up, but they ended up breaking resistance and they're looking to continue to move higher. They're not looking to go down, right? When you break resistance, you continue to move up. It's just a continuation of going even up. So they don't show the coins that actually pumped, they're not showing any interest to correct downside, but they're breaking resistance, retesting, backtesting, and they want to move up. Number two is the coins that didn't move. Of course, they're already down. The RSI oversold. We got bullish divergences every single area, and that also means that they want to actually pump to the upside when you have bullish divergence. So if Bitcoin ends up coming down like this, which if I look at Bitcoin though, then I might expect, yeah, I want Bitcoin to actually go down. But how is it going to go down when you have all these altcoins that are literally showing that, the market is not interested to go down? Like 90 to 95% of altcoins are not showing that the market wants to go down and correct. They're showing that instead the market has to pump because you're breaking resistance, you're making bullish divergences, and also you have coins that still have to move. Coins like SHIB hasn't moved. Coin like Kishu hasn't moved. Floki is already down as well. Cardano hasn't really moved. If Bitcoin comes down, what's going to happen to those? And then you have coins like Woo Network, which is breaking out and retesting as well. I don't know, there's Tomo Chain as well. There's so many other ones that are actually breaking out and looking to further make their move to the upside as well. So it's a little bit hard to judge. Let's dive into the weekly as well and see what's going to happen here. All right, so on the weekly, let's see if the EMA is trying to save. Okay, now the weekly is also quite strong. If you look at the weekly, you're about to make a weekly bullish cross as well. So you're getting supported at the 55 on the daily. You're getting supported at the 10 on the weekly time frame, which is actually quite a strong statement right now for Bitcoin. It's pretty good. But however, what I want to see is if Bitcoin is going to break up here and then we move all the way to potentially $45,000. And I think it can break, okay? There are chances out there that it actually break, and chances are there for Bitcoin to correct, but it won't really make sense for the altcoins wise, right? For Bitcoin wise, it does make sense for Bitcoin to correct, because if you look at Bitcoin, look at all that move to the upside, you might even end up making a correction. It does make sense. But for altcoins, that's going to be an issue if Bitcoin does come down again. But who knows? I don't control the market. Who knows what happens? So I'm going to see you with the next one. Love is.